A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Give God thanks, guys. We're there. You know? Today, I'm going to look for my friend in the hospital. Him not feel so well. But, you know, when I go in there and see people condition, I say, boy, me a walk. Me hearty. Me I give God thanks. It could have been me. We don't want to be nobody. But if you're in another position there, might have money problem, and a sort of problem, give God thanks. Like this video and comment. Talking about problem, it look like more problem are going to occur for people who are traveling in and out of the US. Let me break it down too now. We playing a pass. I'm outside, but I have to put out this. Errol, beg me please to put you out. I'm going to play one audio with the US Press Secretary. Zane? She go come out and she go say, you have to register if you're in the United States for more than 30 days. If you refuse to do that, you can be fined or you can be arrested. The problem with me have here now, what about persons who have visa and you go through immigration and then stamp your book and say, sir, you have 2 months in the country or 3 months or 5 months. You know, maximum of 6, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. And so you're saying that I'm not a citizen, so I have to register. I don't understand. Anybody can put some light on it. Let me understand. But I'm making a listen.
On another matter, the deadline for registration under the Alien Registration Act is today. All foreign nationals present in the United States longer than 30 days must register with the federal government. Failure to comply with this is a crime, punishable by fines, imprisonment, or both. As President Trump and Secretary Noem have both said, if you register and you leave now, you choose to self-deport. You may have the opportunity to return later legally. But if not, you will be arrested, fined, deported, never to return to our country again. The Trump administration will continue to enforce our nation's immigration laws. We will not pick and choose which laws to enforce. We must know who is in our country for the safety and the security of our homeland and for all American citizens.
So she said, under the Alien Registration Act. To my understanding, guys, and as I say, when you can put it in a comment, once you're a citizen, no man, a resident for your country, you're considered an alien. No? Correct me if I'm right. Only difference is, no, you get, when you get a visa, no, you get authority for being in the country. You get what I say? So, based on this report, on the comment below, you would have think say somebody will get them visa for travel now. You can't stay 2 months as how you don't want to stay. You have to go register. That's what I get funny. If, as I said, if I'm wrong, put it in the comment. I don't know when you hear it out our mouth. I make you hear it from one other top immigration lawyer also. I think I want to speak about this tonight, guys. And if you don't want to be a part, and if you don't want to participate in this discussion, link me at 876-277-3254. I really would want to hear 1 and 2 people have to say about this. You understand? So, if you're a green card holder to one, based on what I say, but I make an immigration lawyer break it down. I don't want to put out no misinformation. But it's scary time. So, the thought of going to America, I go travel on visa, I blow up on 3-4 months and mash up on work and something. If this is the case as well, I think a problem. A big problem this. If a man company visa and say I'm going to run off. Now it's not the time for run off. Why run off on your visa? It don't make no sense. You understand? It no make no sense right now. So, boy, may I tell you, be things happen. But anyway, may I talk too much? I could listen what the immigration lawyer have to say. Make him break it down in a one different way so some people can understand the whole thing. I could continue listen.
A new law just went into effect April 11th. It requires certain people to register with the Immigration Service by fingerprint, even if you're here without any papers. Who has to register? If you've been in the United States for more than 30 days and you have not already fingerprinted for a visa, green card, asylum, DACA, work permit, or any other type of immigration application, that means you haven't done it yet, then you are required to register. Even children over 14, even people who came without inspection. Who doesn't have to register? If you've already been fingerprinted by USCIS or CBP at any time in your life, you don't need to register. This would happen when you got your visa, applied for adjustment, applied for a work permit. Then you're covered. But here's the obvious problem. If you register, the government knows where you are. And if you don't register, you're breaking the law. And those who don't register can be fined, go to jail, and then deported. Sadly, it's a lose-lose situation. But the law is the law. And as a lawyer, I have to say the following to you. Register if you have to. And if you're not sure if you need to register, or you need help registering, or you're uncertain about all of this, then you need to speak to a good immigration lawyer.
Yeah, man. So, I write to them and say, I'll make sure you follow them immigration lawyer over TikTok. You can get Walipa inside. You follow the guys, you depend on keys and cues, and listen to the news and follow it up. Nobody see it and play deaf ears. Because me have a whole heap of Jamaicans in America where I look paperwork and straight. You understand? Whole heap. So, if you travel on your visa, because to them I say, listen, you're traveling in our country, you don't need no 6 months, no 5 months, no 4 months. So maybe then say 1, 2 weeks supposed to go, you come visit and conduct your business and go where you go. So when a man say I go overstay, stay now and work on visa and work on, then there's something there. Well, if them think that take time cut out, guys. Remember me telling you, so they see them start comfy, naturalized citizen. Remember me telling you, green card holder. Man, them a work, guys. And me tell you, I find out when one something not work with administration, they then go off for one other thing. Them have to day in the news. Them have to make it make people get fear and say, yeah, we are do things. And that me get funny. But, it is what it is. It is what it is. Them and China in a war with turf and something and who now back down and who this and all sort of something. So every day I get something new. But as I tell my brother and sister them over there on the dust, weather is storm and all the fight. And guys, nobody enough is shame for come back at the yard if things turn bad in a bad event. Yeah. A shame for come out the yard. In the idea, well, we are Jamaican and that's where we originate from. You see me? So that's how you go. But anyway, me here the boss Cyril, we talked about it last night. So we want to talk about this tonight, guys. So if you don't have any more insight, Google it and listen and forward to me and only can educate me as well as me I try educate, To each his one. Alright? Yeah, man. Go continue listening.
And then you see what now we all try to make life for ourselves. We get a chance to come in a country, right?
Mm-hmm.
If it was so bad, the government would have stopped it from donkey years ago. That's what I mean. So they know if you come in and as long as you're not going to no crime, you're safe. But what am I trying to talk? Say, get rid of them. We all have to try. Let me try.
But she talk about Trump a clean up the country. But me as a black woman, me not like use the word black. Can't really black and I really say it's a black thing.
Still. Yeah, but put it Caribbean people.
Yeah. When I want to use a different day. For a Caribbean woman, for you to come out and attack them weird. And most of the things them like a Fox News should watch and hear from the left wing or right wing. I remember which one a right wing from left wing. She listen and she come and spread it back. All of them something them hear from Fox and some other channel. But that's the main point. She don't understand what I go on. Right now, I cover one story with them putting a thing in place now where once you reach in America, you have to register fingerprint something for 30 days. Yeah. You see it? Yeah. So me the thing say I know, remember now, me have my visa now. I mean, say then give you certain time in our country. So once it pass over 30 days, me have to register cards, a visa all is an alien in our country, said we know. Once you're a non-citizen, no, or whatever, it goes for you to know. So, person who did want to go up on visa and run off, and who don't want to run off in America now? Come on, sense.
No.
You have your visa. Who want to run off? Me there, me I look into it. Only a big old idiot. Who don't want to run off now in America? In a this,
In a time,
but then you could have tried that.
Right now, me can travel anywhere in the world. When me want to go. I would have never got there right now. I got there 2 times last year. I'm not touched them no time. I know you know them stuff with them over there. None.
Somebody asked me, yo, you know, I get a visa, do me and go. Myself go America for what? When me I go America, go do now? For what? When me I go there, so go do now? For what? Tell me.
You have to walk and look. You don't know what will.
And brother, most of these laws only are going to affect minorities, like me and you and a couple other race where non-white citizens. So. This I think I know, them can stop and ask you, where's the registered card, whatever this. Yeah man, then say if you're not registered, them will lock you up and deport you back to your country.
No, if they mean to deport you back to your country, it would be good, but you are...
No, them are charged or detain.
No, them are send you to this place, this prison where you can't have no access and no weird. You know, see, the guy with them ship off and them are try to get him back.
Oh, yeah. Well, then fly out carry go El Salvador.
Yeah. Why would you want to send somebody there? Why? It just spy them and spy. And look what kind of people him send. It's not the white people then.
Brown skin.
That's what I mean?
Minority.
Yeah.
True.
That's not good. If you look
when you look, I know, I look funny, so you know the white people, I don't know white people. I be brown skin Latino people them rotted.
Look who used to fight for him, like how much black people used to fight. How much of them get any position?
If you tell them, Mr. Wally, for them, they on the podium, oh, this man is great, and not even one. What do you mean I talk about young ladies and me chat too much? You man have black people.
That's true, you have to look through it.
Yeah, but you have some black people, you have some Caribbean people with dumb and stubborn. Hey, I will if Caribbean people vote for him, I know.
Me know.
And guess why they vote for him? Guess why I go where they vote for him, pan? Because I go talk. True, then say well if an immigrant come across the border, enough immigrants get better opportunity than them, then vex. And I say, yes, this man I go fix it.
No, that makes no sense. Right now in Jamaica, if you can come in Jamaica, they're gonna try say, okay, you come in wrong, and if you not do anything wrong, them will give you a blight.
Of course.
But if you're a criminal, they don't want you there.
Yeah, but you mix up the good people them with the criminal and mix up the thing and cause chaos.
Me talking to a guy with the and way I talk, me just try to cut off the argument for him. Right now, me never come to Canada straight. And me come here, me stay for a while, and them say, okay. Me go through the process, me get citizenship. If somebody else want to come, let them come. That's how me look funny.
Yeah.
As long as they not come for broke down the place and tear down.
Yeah, of course. And everybody will come through this are criminal and all that.
No.
You know?
Right now, me get about 5 of my family members come visiting. Me just send invitation
and then come. Simple.
They come and go. Right? So if people can come like that, me not have a problem. As long as they're not coming and commit crime. Everybody need a chance in life. That's how me look on it.
True.
You need a chance, man. Don't be so stupid when you own people. That mean I say, man, and that mean I calling us for your
as you say, where we won, you say other race them stick together, but we would have side with wrongs, and you know.
Alright, look what I'm gonna let me show you. I'm going a business and I'm kind of back out a bit. You see, me go like a China place, and if you go inside there, if you see one black, you're lucky. You go into the Indian place. Them not hire nobody but for them race. None of them. Just for them race alone. The China people maybe hire one. Maybe. And then put them on a back for work in the garbage part around there and pick up stuff.
So basically only white people hire black people and black people hire black people.
Yeah, white black people sometimes don't even hire their own. And one thing I want to show you, what people don't understand, right now, sometimes we're going to a store over here and people say they're going to support the China for the black people stuff, they're expensive. You're going to tell you reality with that. If we go there to get a credit, to get a trailer load of stuff, we alone cannot buy it. If you go to a next black man and say, you have a store, make me you buy the trailer, then believe you are going to benefit more than them. So they're not joining with you. The Chinese people then go together and then buy a shipload of stuff and then distribute to them one another. So how can we survive? If we can't get our people go together and do so, how can we survive? Our stuff price have to go a little higher for our rent is high. When we're buying stuff, we cannot buy a trailer load. We will have to buy maybe 100 cases of this. And the price you get it far.
More expensive.
Yeah. And then you realize that we have to stick together,
stick up in now. As I bring up this topic with stick together. A lot of Chinese in Jamaica do business and get place to make, and what they see them start, them open up a mechanic shop now. Where anybody can get problem and can come and then fix it at a price. Because you know them can diagnose it, because them partly make it. A long story short, I see enough people are cuss, Andrew make China take over, China this, China. Me tell you this, I'm going to talk. I'm not against the Chinese. You know why I'm not against the Chinese?
Yeah.
It's when me up on the toll and me a drive go watch it, or Mobile, and me see how the road pretty, and me can reach in no time and something. Couple of years ago, you would have to take one whole road, look out the front end, go through some hills and valley. The man them a help build Jamaica, brother. And the man them a some things, alright. How much people could have go in a one store go buy something for come back and sell on the road? It's school vendor them, in a Chinese store them buy things. The people them who hustle, them have to go in a Chinese store and buy them and come back on the road and sell them to we. And do them little thing and go on. You understand? At the reality, if a Chinese man have something to sell over here so for $10, a black man have your body sell for $25. And that a reality and that a facts.
That's what happened here just the same way.
Said we
so in the store, the price is so high. But we cannot do better.
We can't do no better. We understand. Cause we can't. Yeah, but we're not gonna support each other. Cause watch you know, and I just trust. I know trust is a number one issue with black man. I know. Cause me and you can come together and say, yo, we're gonna invest $2 million and we're gonna buy a container or something. You know, upon the other hand, have a different plan. So, when the container drop, then I'm gonna take X, Y, Z, and I'm gonna flip the money and I'm gonna this and that, and you know. Cause if a business you crash, you probably say, I'm not take you losing, I want my one, and greed come in at the play, and that's how we stay as a nation. We're supposed to can rise together and feel together and build back together. We not have that. Everybody want to reach out for each other. Everybody want to outsmart. Even the woman them. Look on the relationship them. I said problem, I trust issues and mash up relationship, Because people are going in a relationship for the wrong reasons. Some are going in it for benefits. Some are going in it because they can use the person. Some are going in it because the person they can help them. Then are going in it for a balanced life and love and respect each other and grow together. And at that, nowadays, but then it may be used to stay. So, but the percentage rate now, people just are married for what you can do. Marriage now is about balanced life.
Yeah, I'm not messing.
Balanced life. I need a man who to bring something to the table. You know what this something to the table mean? Balanced life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You say making up building, right? With time I come out, a couple years back, I will make, you know, when you come off of the hill there, if you go across and you look by your right hand side and build what they make up with the prefab. Who make it? Chinese people make it, right?
Yeah.
Because them have the experience and know if you do it, and you try to teach a man at Jamaica now, them are going to try 2 months and come in and they run, go and try themselves. Then they try to learn properly that they can build themselves and build a country. Then just go in 2 days, sway China there, 2 months and left and gone.
Right now, China is the greatest nation on the earth, you know, yeah, brother. Who want vex?
Because they stick together.
The man, them make everything we have distribute and come through. What do you see, man? Them say the dear Louis V bag where a big company them sell for this, why is it all $90 then for $90 to make them, and them sell them back for 3,000, 4,000 US and them money there. So man, them a little a secret, brother.
I know.
So, brother, then they are Jamaica. Me not have no problem with them as long as they and them have manners. Then anytime you see a Chinese man and a black man a cuss, always the black man provoke him. Me not ask Christ. Then don't trouble people. I'm going to them store enough time and buy and them knock them head and then go and let them go. And you know?
I don't say that trust you because we don't trust ourselves.
No, not trust.
With certain stuff.
No, me just say more time them put up some video say, look what Andrew do, then come and cheat with this. Then come and this and that. But your own black brother, if him do it, you tear him down. Me always say, why when people have a problem with China at invest in our country? See? But yet still, if you own a black brother do the said business, you not support him. You go tear him down.
Remember in the 80s, right? When they used to do the public work business, then go out and pay people. You know what scamming and do? China come in and them go, if the government give them $1 billion, them go try use it for where government give them. Because they say the more you can show them what you're doing, you're gonna get more in return.
And a black man get that, he might rip off it, take away with it, and mash up his whole project. Because when I tell you we as a black people, one more problem we have before you go, we believe in a getting rich quick.
No.
We don't believe in a climbing a ladder till we reach the top. That is our number one. And this young generation, that I hold we back. I notice that other nation build for family wealth and for generation to come. And then sit down in them business and take them time. If it take them 20 years, 30 years, me hear say the Chinaman them have them 20-year, 30-year plan. I saw them make money, I saw them build wealth. We, in a 2 year, we want house and car and done pay off everything and did it. So we try go the other way them and twist up the thing and, you know, that I want to be problem. Not all black people, because some of we have common sense and educated and know what we want. But majority. And he bring a thing here, ready eye. Because when you see John Town with fame, you say John Town, go fire and go make it, I can't make it too. And
I want to kill the flow you make and them they don't want to go work.
Alright, Mr. One lady, Mr. One video on TikTok, a lady they are firing and send her money to build one house. Brother, the man will build a house. The man in the video say, the man is a little farmer. And you want to say, the man take a woman good money and build. Hole in her roof, the black pocket then not full. And the man say, better save than they take it and give one real contractor. She would want to pay the money. She would want to pay the money, you know, but through cheapness. And the man said, this is also everything I figure lit down. So that's show you. It all costs are triple, not even double. It all costs are triple.
Alright. One thing we learn, I miss this for a while. When you're the foreign, it's hard to deal with people down there when you're not there. But everybody believe money that foreign. So if you send them 3,000, them believe, so you should have send them 7,000. 7,000 are easy if you come in.
I will if a month I work that, brother. They have to tell them in a week.
Yeah, sometimes you can't save it for every month. You have to worry about your rent coming up next week and you can't pay it. Or
you know, Jamaica we live free. You just live at one place or catch up something or you can go stay somewhere and pay one local rent or something. You know, foreign, Jesus, God. Come on.
It's a must. It's a must when you're here. When you're here, it's a must. You have to pay water rate. It's a must. Light bill, you have to pay mortgage. There's no doubt about those stuff. Insurance. You have to pay everything. Jamaica, you can just bitch up a little stuff. You know, Keo breeze come through it.
Beg your neighbor one pipe. Break your neighbor one little pipe over here and get little water. Yeah. And she can give one little light or one little something. And you
or you can, back in the days, they used to put things in other people's fridge.
Oh, yes, so, yes, we used to do that. Yeah,
you can buy one little piece of ice.
Yeah, buy one little piece of ice. Yeah, man, we used to do that too, bro.
You can't do it here. You can't do it here.
But it changed in Jamaica still, and everybody have fridge now. Things more.
Yeah, everybody have
Jamaica
fridge.
Jamaica more evolved nation-wise. You also have people still live in a poverty, but things more better for a lot of people. Because you see, since the Indian and the Chinaman then come again, so we go along back to them. Them make people can buy one local TV for 15,000. 15,000. 10,000 and you put it on your wall and you buy one local fridge for 19,000 or 20. And then a big brand, but you have your local fridge and you can do it. You have your local cheap machine. So them make a difference, bro. They make a difference. I remember Coats and Singer and them big established company that have the dear appliance them now. No poor people could go in there to go shopping. You forgot, bro?
Yeah, that's true.
Then can go in
And
an
then,
Indian store, go take up and look at one jeans and one look at white shirt and one look at something. So they make a difference. So people them fi
yeah.
ease up on them, yeah, man. Who want come for me and vex? I say you go. Me see where them are do and me see it better. You understand? Me not say them get. Me not say Andrew have to put them over way. No, but we have our own problem, brother. When you're watching news, you're not seeing an Indian a killer of Indian or in a Jamaica, or the Chinese a killer, or the black man them a killer of them one another, or the black woman them a kill them one another. And that we see.
When you say you talk about Andrew, it's the same problem we have here. People complain about the Prime Minister just resigned.
True that.
Them say him getting a lot of Indian in here. But everybody need, remember now, back then when we just come here, they used to say the Italian them run Canada. Italian come out and a Chinese start running. Then now the Chinese alphabet is the Indian them run Canada. Them they everywhere. Anywhere in this country, every business of them are running now. Yeah. It used to be the Italian. Then it go to the Chinese. Indian. Toronto, man.
Toronto. They're enough over there.
Yeah, man. If you go to the airport, if you go in a police force, you go to the grocery store, the gas station, the coffee place, the trucking company, now me use them in the construction. And them are running everything now.
So why Jamaican them are run?
Oh man, they run around the place and make problem.
Lord God.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all. Them not try to put ourselves, you know, when they do my little stuff, they try to get one and two of them. Let we do business together. They want more than where the business are going to put out. Nobody want to come together. Believe me, that's what we got through, you know.
Believe them, man.
Yeah. They want, if the business are going to put out 2,000 a month, they want 2,500.
Me have one local man, I do one local project where I say to one local youth, because I see him potential, I say, yo, you see, you don't have no phone and something. Here we are going to do. We'll start the project from our room and bathroom and kitchen. We'll start the project from scratch and more you depend on the project till it's done. So here we go on. I know labor take $5,000 a day. See? You see me and Foxy, I go there. Right, so I get $3,000 a day. And I go save the money for you. And when it touch 2 weeks, we're supposed to have about $30,000 or so. And you can buy the phone for $25,000. But in between time, me give a lunch and so said, me and say, alright. Right, when the first week done, I see him sit down. And I say, yeah man, next week we'll come back. He said, oh, you know, me did want something though. So I say, hey, how much I want? Remember, I have $3,000 a day, and I said that would be $15,000 for 5 days. He said, I want $12,000. I give me $12,000, so that would have left $3,000. Then his son, I see him come check me, say, I can't get the $3,000, he want go somewhere, go do it something. I laugh and me shake me head and I say, yo, yeah, try to make a man be a man and I try show him how he can save and set himself as a youth. Man, every week, man, never have to well like money. Nobody want no, I don't know if you have no phone now. Man, near me have. Man, ask for every day and something. I say, Lord, God in heaven. I just shake me head and say, you can't take a mud out of, you can't take a pig out of a mud. Come on, go right back in there. I know him now.
You know what happened to me once? This guy come to me. And I say, okay, I'll give this work and let me work together. And say, okay, the next day he come, boy, me and my wife have like a problem, I don't have no food for my kids, I mean this, I mean that. He can lend me money, me lend him, and he not come back.
He not come back?
He not come back. He take my money and gone.
Lord God. Alright, man, I tell her, hey, we is a mess, brother. And we are some good people, you know. We Jamaican are some good-hearted people, and we is a go-getter. I don't know why people feel so them for broke one another foot, for climb the ladder. I don't know, yeah, brother. But anyway, my boss, may I get to our next call. Big up yourself, man, and thanks for your insight on the topic.
Man.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, cool.
Yes, guys. Hope you enjoy the video so far, and, you know, yeah, struggle is real. We're there. They up on the toll their drive and I go and watch you go on. Yeah, man. I tell her. But I'm going to see a video we may not talk about, guys, with the guy, with the lady we send how much millions to build her house. I know. She sent one man for put on the door upon it. And listen, I'm finding and showing her now. But go watch this.
Yo, I go visit the place this morning to install some door jam. Right? And client overseas. What you do, man? What you do? This a man we collect this money to do this house as a farmer. This a man know if one black square yes or no when I put on this when the man and look where them thing upset me, you know. Them thing upset me. The reason why look on this about where they say them build up bad fit. Look on the roof everywhere night a leak. I know why I saw this thing. A contractor them all blame and trade man, you know. And none of them I want farmer the woman get a send her money to, you know. A farmer. It's not even say it's an electrician or it's a plumber. It's a farmer. We don't know nothing about construction. She has send her money come get. Right? No, this one me up out of my bed and say, yo, if you can look on some door jam for install for him. Me no want it, not even door jam me not put in the answer. Look on the place. The place are not even 8 foot. Look there. Look there. Every deck in a leak. Then cast and left that big hole in a woman's ceiling. Feel what I don't know. Then cast and left one big hole in a woman's bomber ceiling, brother. Look on the place. Look on the cast in there. And when trade man charging the right money for doing the work, I don't say them thief. Cause this a thief. I don't know, I say a trade man or one contractor do it and he's a farmer. This man I don't know, me know him personally, he don't know nothing about them trade work. And see when I get there. And me can guarantee look at all them black pocket there. No full. Empty black pocket. House deck pan. And who them are blame? Them are blame contractor and trade man. You can't give farmer your money. You can't give a farmer your money, brother. Saying, what kind of result? Look on it. Look on them cast in there. This a place that not even 8'6". You get me, I say? And me can bet as a contractor or tradesman and I blame at this me I talk about. You see it? This and me get to understand see woman come here and see it too. I want to come back now. That's why they might try to install some door jam on another part that we grill up. Yo, this week.
Good morning, MIXUP boss. My name is Milane, and I'm looking at partner, a serious partner. I'm 56 years of age, and I am in Queens, New York. So can be the same age as me, and even older. There's nothing wrong, but I need a serious partner.
All right. Mix up, boss. Me check on me don't see you. I don't know if you're on now. But listen, what I want you to do for me, I realize that there is a lot of lonely people between the age of 65 and up. I want you to get a pen pal for me. I don't want to get married, but I'm a Christian, a very committed Christian. And I want to just be there for people who need somebody to talk with about everyday stuff, anything. But for especially Christian ministers who are very lonely, maybe they lose a partner or so, and they are, lonely and just need someone to speak with. So I'm putting myself out there. I will send you my number. I think you have my number. Okay? So could you do that for me? Tell them my name. My name is Joan, right? And you can give individuals my number. I don't want no pervert. I just want people who are genuine Christians who need people to talk about God or talk about whatever that makes them comfortable and that makes them happy. All right? But no pervert, nobody who into sex and all that. No. Okay? Thank you. Don't know if you have that kind of audience.
Why do I seem to be
Caught up inside our dream all my life. It's always been my shadow and me. Right, but over my shoulder there's always a voice somewhere saying hi. Never should try to set my heart free. I wish that love would come and take me in her arms and show me what I've never known. If I could find someone in word that right from wrong, just fade away like yesterday. Lonely won't leave me alone. Lonely won't leave me alone. Why, tell me why? Lonely won't let me fall in love. Oh,